Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 5066. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 8th month 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has light wobbles, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, camera tight, right tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has light wobbles as well, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, GTS type, interior light, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke paddle shift type, leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.